या दोन प्रांताच्या आस्काऱ्याची बागेवन जुजेबाजाची दोबाजीक परब देखून आमी संतोसता. कोरोना व्हायरस हे भिरांकूळ पिडेक लागून निर्माण जाल्ले परिस्थितीक लागून स्वतांचे भाशेन जायत्या आमच्या लोकांक हांगासर येवन समोरमणेन वांटो घेवंक मेळ्ळें ना देखून आमी दुखी जाता. पूण लोक संपर्क यंत्रा उदेशी हे परबेचे समोरमणेन वांटो घेतल्या सगल्या आमच्या भावां भयणीक आनी बागेवन जुजेबाजाच्या भक्तांक देवाच्या आशिर्वादान आनी कृपेन भरलेली बागेवन जुजेबाजाची परब आमी हांव देता. बागेवन जुजेबाजाची जिविताची देख घेवन आमी आमच्या दिसा दिसपट्ट्या जिवितान बरेपणाचे दूत आनी शांतीची हातयारां जावंक पावोवया. द पिलग्रिमेज, walking pilgrimage as usual on the first Sunday of Lent, but of course we have to follow all the SOPs and therefore we will have limited numbers. It will not be with such large numbers that we had in the last few years. But the pilgrimage, walking pilgrimage on the first Sunday of Lent will take place here.
I think this is a very beautiful and a very happy day for us because this is our very own saint, Sant Joseph, who has shown us the way. He has shown us how we can live our lives for the good and for the welfare of others, because that is what he did. He devoted his total life for the well-being of other human beings. And I think if we try to follow his path and do what he did, this world will be a very, very beautiful